Hey guys! Welcome back to another tutorial. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. For today's Lightroom tutorial, I will show you how to mimic the look of a Kodak Portra 400. If you want to download the preset, I will put a link in the description box for you to download. DNG file is protected by a password, and it will appear separately as a YouTube card on the upper corner of your screen. Password is divided into 3. Combine all to unlock the download. For mobile user, to be able to see the password, make sure to use YouTube app instead of the browser. Here's the before and after photos using this Lightroom preset. Let's start the editing process. To those of you who can't find the password for the preset, you can follow me with your phone using your Lightroom mobile app. First, go to Curves and follow these steps. Then let's create an S-curves on red, green and blue channel. This adds contrasts and a little bit of pop of colors in our photo. If this is too fast for you, you can pause and play the video. Now go to white balance and add some warmth. Adjust the yellow tone to +12 and magenta tint to +6. Let's desaturate a little bit. Put the vibrance to -3 and saturation to 8. After that, let's go to the basic settings or light settings on your mobile phone. Decrease the contrast to -20. Highlights to +30. Shadows to -20. Whites to -65 and blacks to +61. Now let's go to the HSL panel or mix on Lightroom mobile. Click red. Adjust hue to +15, saturation to +9 and luminance to -21. Next is orange, remain hue to 0, saturation to -16, luminance to -8. Yellow. Hue to +9, saturation to -29 and luminance to -5. Green. Hue to +15, saturation to -43 and luminance to -8. Aqua. Hue to -13, saturation to -65 and luminance to +15. Blue. Hue to -11, saturation to -26 and luminance to +15. Now go to split tone. Adjust highlights to 31 and saturation to 10. Shadows to 135 and saturation to 10. Put the balance slider to +25. Then let's go to details. This is optional. Sharpening to 25. You can add some little vignetting. Then let's add some grain, adjust the amount to 18, size to 74 and roughness to 67. Film look is very popular with grain. And our adjustment process is done. Now let's go ahead and try this preset to our other images here and make some necessary adjustment, depending on our photo lighting condition. When creating a preset, I always test it with JPEG, RAW, mobile photos and DSLR photos. Once again, here's the before and after. Before and after. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.